Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about producers and consumers. So you may not have ever heard of a producer and a consumer, but today we're going to learn about it. So this is something that in third grade we like to teach you because it's really helpful when you get out into the real world. So this is our first slide. What is a producer? What is a consumer? So by the end of this, you should be able to identify the difference between the two. But before we identify a producer and a consumer, you first need to know what is a good and a service. So as you can see on the left, goods are something that can be used or consumed, and consumed means eaten. So you can eat a donut, you can use toothpaste, you can vacuum in your house, you can use a flashlight, you can put on shoes to wear, you can play with a doll, and you can drive a vehicle. So those are goods. They're actual things that you can use in your everyday life. A service is an action that someone does to help others. So for example, there's a doctor because a doctor provides a service to help keep us safe and healthy. A taxi driver drives the taxi and somebody, pays for that service. A babysitter watches kids and gets paid for it. And a pet groomer washes dogs and that is their job. So a service is kind of like somebody's job that they're getting paid for or that they give to help somebody else. Okay, so let's talk about producers. A producer is a person or a business that makes goods or provides services. So an example would be a chef, a farmer, a doctor, a teacher, a fireman, and a mailman. So looking at that picture down at the bottom, there's a chef, and she has made that pizza. So the pizza is a good, and the chef created it. So the chef is a producer. The teacher in the middle provides a service. She teaches kids and helps them learn. So she's not necessarily making a good, but she is giving a service to her students. And on the right is a firefighter or a fireman. He is helping put out a fire. He is providing a service. He is helping the people in his community by providing the firefighting service. Okay, so here's consumers. Then a consumer is a person that buys goods or uses the services. So for example, grocery shopping, going to the movies, or getting a haircut. And I've given all three of these examples in a picture. As you can see on the left, the woman is grocery shopping and she's paying the cashier. You can see the money in her hand. She is taking the goods, which are the groceries, from the store and paying for them. So she is a consumer. In the middle, the kids are eating popcorn, which they bought, and they are watching a movie at the movie theater. So they are consuming the food and they are buying the service of watching the movie. So they are all consumers. And then on the right, there is the woman in the chair is the consumer because she has bought her haircut. She is using the service of the haircut. But if you think about it, the woman behind her who's giving the haircut is the producer. So the producer is cutting her hair, which is the service. So now I'm just going to go through two examples, and I just want to see if you can identify if they're producers or consumers. So Sally is baking cupcakes. That's Sally in the middle. And is Sally a producer or a consumer? And if you're not sure, I put a couple questions at the bottom to help you. Is she making a good or providing a service? And if so, what is it? Or is she buying a good or using a service? So think about that. Look at what she's doing. Is she doing something or is she buying something? So if you guessed that she is a producer, you are correct. She is producing the cupcakes. She is making cupcakes and she is most likely going to sell them. So then a consumer could buy her cupcakes. But Sally, the woman, is a producer. And I just have one more example. Brian is buying a toy snake. Is Brian a producer or a consumer? So look at what he's doing. He's at the cashier at the store, and he's giving her money. Is he making a good or providing a service? If so, what? Or is he buying a good or using a service? So think about that. If you guessed consumer, you are correct. He is buying a good, which is the toy snake, at the toy store. So the woman behind the counter is the producer because she is providing the service of being the cashier. But Brian, the boy, is a consumer. So that's really all I have. I'm just going to go back to the second slide really quick, just to kind of review what we went over. We talked about goods and services, and how goods are things that can be used or consumed, and services is an action that someone does to help others. And then the producer produces or makes the goods and provides the services, and the consumer buys those goods and uses the services. So I hope you learned a little bit today. We are going to be using this information in our next social studies unit.